Good morning and welcome to ForexTV.com's AM Forex New York. Today is Monday, December 10th. I'm Caitlin Sisney. The euro advanced against the dollar and yen after European Central Bank rate setters raised concern about inflation. Euro is trading at 147.02. Yen is trading at 111.75. The pound was firmer in a moderate recovery after last week's hefty losses and ahead of the release of UK producer prices figures and government house price data this morning. Sterling is trading at 204.42. Today we're joined by Joe Francomano from Erste Bank. Joe, what is your outlook for the Forex market as we head into the week?
Good morning. This is Joe Francomano from Erste Bank. This morning we find the market mixed as far as the dollar is concerned. Of course, we are two-thirds of the way through our triple active or our triple, how do we say this? Triple event. Starting with Thursday's ECB meeting, which though the ECB left the rates unchanged as expected, Trichet's comments remained hawkish and basically left the market on guard to a further rate hike, if anything, in the future, as opposed to an ease, which seems to be the wave these days in G7. Also, we had Friday's unemployment number, which, though stronger than expected, was still nothing too great to assuage dollar pessimists. And then, of course, you have tomorrow's Fed meeting with the market fully expecting a cut in interest rates by the Fed. There is some debate whether it will be a 25-point or 50-point cut, although Friday's, rather, let's just say, non-weak employment data pretty much takes the wind out of the 50-point cut camp. There is interesting debate, though, about whether the Fed will move on the discount rate, and many money market players are looking for that cut. Now, this would basically, if you do get the interest rate cut along with a discount rate cut, basically you will solidify the Euro bull's opinion that U.S. rates will continue to weaken, that despite last month's objections from the Fed that they remained an equal risk in what they're fighting, be it higher inflation and slower growth, you will definitely get the perception from the Fed that that growth is going to be a very big problem, especially if they cut rates and give any indication of future interest rate cuts. So with all that said, we're looking at the dollar on its back foot against the euro, however, the dollar up against the yen. Also, you're seeing the euro up against the yen and the Swiss, which bodes very well for the stock market. We also have some technical factors right now in euro-dollar. 147 the figure, actually between 147.75 and 146.75 and 147 the figure. We've got some nice technical resistance that we've been breaking through this morning. I think once we kick through the stop loss level, I believe around 147.10 this morning, you're automatically pointing towards a target a bit higher, towards 147.60, 147.70. And I think once you start clearing through these levels on the 47 handle, we are definitely opening up for end-of-year rally. Definitely 150. The high this year so far has been 149.68. I do believe that's in definite risk, especially if the Fed cuts both the discount rate and the interest rate in the meeting tomorrow. I do believe that going forward for the rest of the year, you might have seen the low last week at 145.25, and that a move, like I said, towards 150 by the end of the year should be expected. Cheers.
Thank you, Joseph. That was Joseph Francomano from Erste Bank. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later for another update right here on ForexTV.com.